Today, I'm going to teach you about qualitative versus quantitative data. So what's the difference? Qualitative data is defined as a non-numerically valued variable classified into categories. It deals with descriptions and data is observed, not measured. Quantitative data is defined as a numerically valued variable. It deals with numbers and data can be measured. There are two different types of quantitative data: discrete and continuous. When we look at discrete data, its possible values can be graphed as separate points on a number line with space between each point. An easy way to think of it is that discrete data is counted. When we look at continuous data, its possible values form an interval of numbers that can be measured or weighted. An easy way to think of it is that continuous data is measured. Let's try an example. Let's take this class of students. If we want to discuss qualitative data, we can talk about things like the student's gender, hair color, or type of clothing, because these things can easily be put into categories and are descriptions that are observed. If we want to discuss the student's quantitative discrete data, we can talk about things like the total number of students, how many students have each hair color, and how many students are wearing each type of clothing. These are things that can easily be counted and graphed as separate points on a number line with space between each point. If we want to discuss the student's quantitative continuous data, we can discuss things like how much each student weighs, or how tall each student is, or the average of all the students. These things can easily be measured and form an interval of numbers.